Hey, what's good? What's up? One time we back with another video. You already know the vibes, but good morning. We got the my Tom shirt on today, so let's go get some breakfast. It's good morning to me. I just woke up. I gotta do a vlog for you, a video, so let's go make some breakfast and figure out what we could do. It's raining today. It's saying, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Gotta find something, but let's go make some breakfast. That's what we got to eat. Hungry. Man. Let's go see what we got to eat in here, huh? Let's go in the freezer. We're making some corn dogs. Got this. Throw in here. 3 corn dogs for breakfast. Alright, see if the bad boys are done. Alright. Alright, so you know, I just got done eating. I went to Philly, see my mom and dad and stuff. I had to get the Black Ops and stuff off my dad, pick some mail up, do some things, but well, it's back in the yard, man. I miss this yard so much. I was out here every day messing with things, but I'm trying to find some cranks and some parts for the beast mode. That way I can build the beast mode, but dang, remember this little bike? And then that bike? And then the Sunday, and we got so much crazy builds. The yard's falling apart, but let's see what we can find back here. Let's actually see if this biatch still kicks over. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see if this thing still kicks. Ooh, I got my slippies on. Somewhat kicks. I think it's because there's no oil in there because I drained the oil out so long ago, but yeah. For sale. But it's not for sale. Now we got a gas tank. We got some good things back here. Like my 24-inch Sunday with the animal seat. Whew, look at that. I'm telling you, I used to be a BMX dude. Let's find some cranks. And we got the box of plastics too, look. All the old bikes. Dang, look at this. 150 parts, everything. YZ 450 seat. RM80. Alright, so we found some cranks on a bike in my backyard, so I just gotta go in the toolbox now and get an Allen key. A nice size Allen key. Allen key! Hello! Hey, you remember these things? We are. Allen key's somewhere here. We got a scraper. Got Allen keys over here. Allen keys over there. Boom! Look at that! I got these cranks. We paint them. Put them on the beast mode. And be ready to go. You got some cranks for the beast mode. New bike, huh? Huh? New bike back there. Do we got a new bike? Do we got a new bike, huh? Let's see. Woo. So, new pit bike? Is there a new pit bike? Ah. Look at the pit bike. Little XR70. Ooh. Signal, it's not my bike. Alright, actually, it's not my bike, it's Fat Tweet's bike. I'm fixing it for him because it broke. But it starts. But right here on the flywheel, the magnet snapped, so just gotta JB weld that. That's it. But he did give me a pit bike. I didn't pick it up, I left it in Philly. I'll pick it up maybe later, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because I want like a real like bike, like a Honda or a little TTR 110, or I want a pit bike. I just don't know what one. Honda CRF 110, TTR 110, or a KLX 110. One of them are coming soon. I just don't know what. Should I stick with the blue? Should I go with the red? Or should I go with the green? It's hard, but let me go get the cranks out of the truck. Make sure they fit with the beast mode and see if they're good to go. Alright, so I don't know if you've seen the beast mode, but alright, here we go. Now it's not blurry, but there goes the beast mode. It's actually almost completed. We just need to put the cranks on. I have cranks now. The cranks, I have front brakes. I don't think I'm going to put front brakes. Actually, you can't put front brakes. So I got extra front brakes for no reason. But big thing is, we just gotta make sure cranks fit. Once these fit, then I will be doing a video how to strip paint. That will be next, so make sure you hit the subscribe, stay tuned, paint video coming. And then, yeah. Wow, we actually got cranks for the beast mode. That's bet. So now we got cranks, sprocket on there. Let's go. I don't know if I'm keeping the sprocket though, because it's an OM Doro sprocket. And I don't know how it's going to pedal, because there's a lot of teeth back here, so it might pedal too slow. I might have to go with a bigger sprocket or so. So I don't know, but got the rims in the plastic, boy. Wow. Yeah, everybody's going to come out sick. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you, because I didn't vlog anything on Christmas. I was supposed to, but I forgot my camera, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hope you enjoy it. And then that would be it. So make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, share, and peace out. See you in the next video.